Consider our world, a living planet, a place of natural wonder, home to humanity. For over 60 years, Land Rover has inspired and helped people to journey far and wide, to enjoy adventures, push boundaries, help others. As part of the global community, we've built a special relationship with our world. And with that comes responsibility. That's why we're working hard to help protect the environment we share. It's our commitment to our planet. The capabilities of Land Rover vehicles are greater than ever before. They can do far more, with improved efficiency. That said, we know their impact on the environment cannot be ignored. So we are striving to find ways to reduce that impact. We're jointly investing £800 million in many different technologies to reduce CO2 emissions and improve fuel economy. Imagine the lightest, most aerodynamic Land Rover ever built. A vehicle so sensitive that it adapts to any terrain. So intelligent that it finds the most efficient settings for all conditions and offers the ultimate in power and control. Imagine a vehicle designed to be recycled, with an engine that stops and starts itself to conserve energy. Those are some of the innovations that are shaping our products now and in the future. We call them our e-terrain technologies, the first of which is the application of an intelligent stop-start system on the Freelander 2, stopping the engine when you stop the car, restarting it when you're off again. We're applying the same degree of scrutiny to how we manufacture our vehicles. We're committed to reducing our environmental footprint at our UK manufacturing facilities and our design and corporate headquarters. We're setting realistic targets and we're proud to be delivering measurable results. For example, the energy used to manufacture a Land Rover has been reduced by 19% since 2002. We now use wind power, a renewable energy source, to assemble many of our diesel engines. Since 2002, the amount of water consumed during the manufacturing of each vehicle has been lowered by 14%. Over the same period, we've reduced total waste per vehicle by 20%. That kind of positive progress is very encouraging. Over time, we are continuing to find new ways to reduce, reuse, and recycle. Managing the amount of energy a Land Rover consumes is an absolute priority. So is reducing the level of emissions from vehicles and plants. In fact, emissions are an area where we can all put something back. We've introduced the most comprehensive CO2 offset program of its kind in the world with the help of Climate Care. When people buy a new Land Rover in a number of markets, they can offset the CO2 emissions produced for the first 45,000 miles of ownership. Response has been so positive, we are now extending this initiative to other countries. Finally, in partnership with Climate Care, we offset 100% of the manufacturing assembly emissions from all our plants. For every tonne of CO2 produced during vehicle assembly, Land Rover invests in community projects that contribute to reducing emissions by exactly the same amount. Examples include wind energy farms in China, to helping introduce energy-efficient stoves throughout Uganda. Those projects, and many others, have benefits beyond offsetting CO2 emissions. In developing countries, they can contribute towards improving health and welfare, alleviating poverty, increasing employment, and extending education opportunities. Land Rover is a world citizen. We're proud to play a part in helping others carry out vital work wherever needed. Experts have always relied on Land Rovers to help them get the job done. And we help make things happen in whatever way we can. We've always done so, and we always will. Like delivering mosquito nets to every country in Africa, working shoulder to shoulder with our 5 global conservation partners, donating 60 vehicles to support the British Red Cross priority programmes in the UK and around the world, helping to protect endangered wildlife, cultures and landscapes, whether tigers in Siberia or nunneries in China. We believe everyone can play a part every day. With that in mind, we've introduced the Land Rover off-road driving code to all our experience centres around the world, so all our customers can learn how to tread lightly wherever they journey with Land Rover. Over the past 60 years, Land Rover has helped people make the world their own. Now, it's time to give something back. This is our commitment. This is our planet.